So you have to have a tough conversation, and you're nervous because tough conversations are, well, they're tough. Maybe you have to give someone feedback. Maybe you have to tell someone they didn't get the promotion, or maybe you have to fire someone. Either way, you're nervous about the conversation and their reaction. So what do? Whatever you do, don't hide under a pile of blankets. Doesn't work. Here's a different approach. Project what you want them to feel. If you want them to feel calm, project calm. If you want them to feel peace, project peace. And if you want them to feel acceptance, project acceptance-ness. People are mirrors, and they reflect what you project. So if you project calm or peace or acceptance-ness, that's what they'll reflect back to you. You can use this technique everywhere, in the office, with friends, at family reunions, but not here. It doesn't work here. So there are 3 steps. Step 1, meet with the person. Step 2, project what you want them to feel. Step 3, there is no step 3. You're done. Like what you saw here? Share, subscribe, and download the Unspoken Rules of Leadership by clicking the link below. 53 pages of tips, tools, and techniques you can use to do a better job leading others and leading yourself. I'm Jamie Turner, an author, a professor, and a thought provoker.